What's up, solar nerds? Thought I'd just do a real quick video. I'm doing another batch of my 3D printed battery terminal covers. I showed you those on my batteries in another video, but here's a quick shot right here of them actually coming off the assembly line. I'm doing 50 of each color for a customer, a battery manufacturer, and yeah, they really like them. But yeah, quick little shot of that process there. Have a look. Let's see, can we zoom in on it? Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? So this is a belt 3D printer, so it just feeds them off. They just drop out right there. I'll start the red ones probably tonight sometime. But yeah, 3D printing. What do you think, solar nerds?